Hello everyone, my name is Dennis.T.C.S, matrix number 79210, and now I'll be doing the TMF1214 course reflection, which is the reflection for course computer architecture. And now, without further ado, let us move on to the first thing that I want to talk about, which is the expectation for this course. Uh, when I first started this course, I had hoped to learn about computer functions and also to learn about its inner structure and components, as it is very obvious that nowadays computers are essential part of our daily life, especially for uni students, where we use it to complete our assignments and projects and all those homeworks. So I'm compelled to learn about the computers, especially as an IT student. And also, I had hoped to improve my computing skills throughout the course because I want to improve my computing skills so that they could help me perform in other courses such as programming and other stuff that maybe I'll face in the future. And it is safe to say that I have learned everything I expected to learn, and actually the course exceeds some of my expectations, and I'll further explain it in the next topic, which is the opinions on the topics. For computer architecture, it offers a total of 11 topics, which every topics are actually quite interesting, with some notable topics such as number system, digital logics, computer memory system, and assembly language. These topics are very interesting and also crucial for me to understand how does a computer works. And computer architecture with those topics is actually not very difficult, but it's not really easy either because you have to remember all the features and properties of the components. And for me, there are two interesting topics that I like to talk about. One of it is assembly language. With assembly language is kind of like programming, but it's designed to allow humans to understand it easily. And by learning assembly language, we could understand how does a program will interact with the computer components, such as its hardware or software. So assembly language is like the core for the computer to run because it's like coding. And actually, the knowledge that I learn in assembly languages somewhat helps me in other courses such as programming because I have a deeper understanding towards all these programming language. And the next one is computer memory system overview. In this topic, we discuss about the features and hierarchy of the memory system. It is also in this topic that I have learned that it is very important for a computer to have a good memory system, especially have a large and stable memory so that it can perform tasks smoothly without freezing or crashing. And with that, we can move on to the next topic, which is the impact on the life. Now, studying this course, computer architecture, it allows me to have a deeper understanding on the computer, and after studying this course, I can identify hardware and faults more easily by applying the knowledge that I have learned in the topics. So my computer knowledge are already in, I already possess some degree of computer knowledge. It's just not that deep, it's shallow, but computer architecture has actually helped me improve upon this knowledge, and I am able to learn some in-depth knowledge about computer. So there was once happens that once a month ago, my other computer broke down. Then I was able to identify what caused the hardware failure. Then upon taking for repair, the repairman says my suspicion is correct, and that's when I have realized that I have been applied these knowledge with me realizing it. So I'd say it brought some slight impact on my daily life and definitely makes me understand computer more, and I'm grateful for that. Now, on the thoughts of the course, everything is good. Actually, the course actually exceeded my expectations. My lecturer, bless her, Madam Noralipa, is actually very friendly and informative. Uh, because overall the courses, she actually went out the way to give us information regarding the assignments and projects, and she always makes sure that we get the slides. Like, she always makes sure that we understand the slides. So the courses and classes are going so well because of her. The only downside about this class that I don't like is it's online class, but it cannot be held because of the pandemic. So I guess it's kind of just me because I personally prefer physical class more, and attending online classes sometimes make me feel very lazy. But I still participate in anyway. So I guess that's just me. So into the conclusion, overall, this course has met all of my hopes and expectations. In fact, it actually exceeds all of them, most of them, as I learned much more than I thought I would be, and actually the stuff that I have learned helped me in my daily life too. And throughout the courses, I learned a variety of skills that will be extremely beneficial to me, and I'm very happy with it. Yeah, and that's all from me. Thank you.